everyone, so your Queen Alice is here with another very amazing and profitable project. So guys, as I always say, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. So let's start our review about Weeks. So Cointex network trading competition is here on Weeks, and here you can check out, you can trade TNC and you can share our 10,000 USDT airdrop, and here you can check out and here you can sign up, and I will show you how you can check out and how you can sign up to their account. So Cointex network trading competition is here with 10,000 USDT airdrop. So these are the event details. Let's check out and have a review. Event 1 is about the new user exclusive share of 3,000 USDT. So new users can make net deposit more than 100 USDT in any token, and they can complete their first spot trade of any amount in the eligible TNC and USDT pair. So you can reach a future trading volume more than of 100 USDT in any trading pair during the event period will receive 25 to 100 USDT in rewards. The prize pool is worth 3,000 USDT reward on a first come first served basis. So you can deposit now for the event 1. So here is event 2 about trade to share a 4,000 USDT prize pool. New and existing users who spot trade at least 100 USDT in TNC will share a 1,000 USDT prize pool. Rewards are based on the participants' spot trading volume in TNC. Additionally, new and existing users who reach a total future trading volume of 2,500 and USDT in any token will receive a 25 USDT airdrop. So the top 10 traders by future trading volume will each get an additional 200 USDT. So guys, the prize pool is worth of 3,000 USDT, and you can reward it on first come first served basis. So you can trade now for the event 2. So let's have a look on event 3. So it's about the invitation. You can invite friends and you can share a 3,000 USDT. So during the event, both new and existing users can invite friends to sign up and earn referral rewards. So you will receive 5 USDT per valid referral. So our referral is considered valid when your invitee completes a net deposit of more than 100 USDT and their first spot trade of any amount in TNC and USDT pair. So you have to reach total future trading volume of more than 100 USDT in any trading pair. So more you invite, the more you earn. The prize pool is 3,000 USDT, rewarded as you know first come first served basis. So here is the referral bonus detail. You have the number of invitees, reward per invitee. So if you have 1 and 5 participants, you will get 5 USDT. 6 to 20, you will get 7 USDT, and if 20 plus more invitees you invite, you will get the referral reward of 10 USDT. Your invite must sign up for Weeks account and using your referral link, or sign up and complete basic KYC verification. So how you can sign up to Weeks and how you can register, it's very simple. You can earn a 20% deposit reward by welcome bonus, and here is the process. You have to enter your phone or email, you have to enter the referral code, and if you are new, you have to just put your email, then you have to sign up and you have to receive new gift for users. So guys, this was about their major events on Weeks exchange. So Cointex network trading competition is here, so hurry up, don't waste your time. Let's sign up and join this airdrop and earn and share trade TNC and 10,000 USDT airdrop. So how was the review? Please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.